How to fix file format not supported on Android. Now, if you're just trying to open a particular file and it simply says that file format is not supported or anything like that, right? So let me just try to open up anything like this and you don't have the specific application. Now, normally it will say file format not supported because depending upon the extension of the file, your phone does not have the required application to open that file format. So you might want to look for the file extension. Now, in my case, all of these are PDF files and I do have a PDF file opener called Adobe Acrobat. Now, if you don't see the file extension, normally you can just tap on it depending upon the file and tap the more option to see its details and just tap on details and you'll find the size and the type of file it is. So you might find the type of file, in my case it's a .pdf file. In your case it could be a .mp4 file, .av3 file, depending on various types of file format. So what you have to do is remember that file format in mind and go to your Play Store. Now, once you come to your Play Store, you might want to just search for, if it's PDF, type in PDF file opener. If it's MP4 file, just type in MP4 file opener. So there are various type of popular ones as well. So depending upon the file extension you have, try to open it up, install a certain application depending upon the file type that you have chosen. And once you install it, you should be able to open up that file, which you weren't being able to do so previously. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.